Hezbollah, also spelled Hizbollah or Hezbollah, Arabic, meaning Party of God, is a Shia Islamist political and militant organization based in Lebanon. Its history is deeply intertwined with regional conflicts, sectarian divisions, and geopolitical rivalries. Here's a detailed look at its evolution. Origins and founding, 1982 to 1985. Background: Hezbollah emerged in the early 1980s during the Lebanese Civil War, 1975 to 1990, particularly in response to Israel's 1982 invasion of Lebanon, which aimed to drive out the Palestinian Liberation Organization, PLO. Iran's role: Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, played a key role in Hezbollah's formation, training and funding Shia militants in the Bekaa Valley. Founding ideology: Hezbollah's ideological framework was based on Iran's revolutionary Shia Islamism. Its 1985 manifesto called for the expulsion of Western powers from Lebanon, the destruction of Israel, the establishment of an Islamic State in Lebanon, though this goal was later softened. Growth and military resistance, 1985 to 2000. Anti-Israel operations: Hezbollah gained prominence through guerrilla warfare and suicide attacks against Israeli forces and the South Lebanon Army, SLA, an Israeli-backed militia. Notable attacks: 1983, bombings of the U.S. Embassy and Marine barracks in Beirut, killing hundreds, though Hezbollah denies direct responsibility. 1985 to 2000, numerous ambushes and rocket attacks in southern Lebanon. Support base: built strong roots among Lebanon's Shia community through social services, schools, hospitals, and welfare programs. Israel withdrawal: in May 2000, Israel withdrew from southern Lebanon. Hezbollah claimed it as a major victory and proof of its resistance effectiveness. 2000 to 2006, political expansion and continued conflict. Lebanese politics: Hezbollah began participating more formally in Lebanese politics, winning seats in parliament and joining coalition governments. 2006 Lebanon War. Sparked by Hezbollah's cross-border raid, killing and capturing Israeli soldiers. Israel launched a full-scale offensive, resulting in a 34-day war. Hezbollah's military performance and survival elevated its status across the Arab world. 2006 present. Regional influence and Syrian conflict. Post-war rebuilding: Hezbollah engaged in rapid reconstruction in southern Lebanon, gaining further popularity. Syria conflict, 2011-present. Hezbollah intervened in Syria to support President Bashar al-Assad, citing protection of Shia holy sites and regional stability. This move aligned it even more closely with Iran and strained its image among Sunni Arabs. Designation as a terrorist group. U.S., Israel, the Gulf states, and others label Hezbollah a terrorist organization, partially or entirely. The EU distinguishes between its military and political wings, designating only the former as terrorist. Regional proxy role. Acts as a key Iranian proxy in the axis of resistance against Israel and U.S. influence. Involved in supporting Shia militias in Iraq and Yemen. Current status. Military capabilities: estimated to have over 100,000 rockets and a well-organized military structure, making it stronger than the Lebanese army in many respects. Political influence: holds significant sway in Lebanese politics, with influence over government decisions and veto power through alliances. Economic challenges: faces criticism at home due to Lebanon's economic collapse and Hezbollah's alignment with corrupt elites. Tensions with Israel remain high, with periodic clashes and the potential for a major conflict always present.